Riboti ya uthuthuria wa Infotrack uria umurikite maundu matiganite megie githurano kiroka kia 2027 yugite mwaho-ini wa thirikari ya ngwataniro gicunji kinene kia Kenya marenderera tigiti wa President Ruto na munini wake Professor Kithure Kindiki na gicunji kia 34 hari igana.
Professor Kindiki has a wider margin as the best. Remember, he has 34 and gives a gap of almost 20% between the person who comes second, that is Governor Wanga.
Mwena-ini wa mung'ethaniro Akenya ingi marendekithia tigiti wa Kalonzo Musyoka ari president na Sifuna ari munini wake na gicunji kia 23 guku aria marenda tigiti wa Matiang'i ari president na Kalonzo Musyoka ari munini wake mari gicunji gia 15 hari igana. Kuringana na riboti ino, President Ruto niwe muhuraniri wa president uria uri na ngumo nene iri gicunji kia 32 hari igana arumirirwo ni Kalonzo Musyoka na gicunji gia 13 hari igana.
Edwin Sifuna had 0 mention in August. In December, he had a 0.2% mention, very insignificant, but currently he has shot to 12% nationally.
Mwaho-ini wa mung'ethaniro gituro-ini gia President Kalonzo Musyoka ari mbere na gicunji kia 27 hari igana arumirirwo ni Fred Matiang'i na gicunji gia 19 hari igana. Miaho-ini ya uteti a Kenya aingi mari gicunji kia 28 hari igana matiregithania na mwaho o wothe wa uteti. Thirikari ya ngwataniro ikioneka ariyo iri na ngumo nene iri ya gicunji kia 27 hari igana, Linda Mwananchi ikarumirira na gicunji kia 44 hari igana, nayo United Alternative Government ikoya ithenya ria gatatu na gicunji kia 20 hari igana. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.